Parenting is a universally acknowledged tough job. It has become even more demanding for Muslim parents in the 21st century. From navigating social media pressures to confronting prevailing ideologies, our plates are full. But worry not, here we dive into practical tips and tricks to help us thrive in the world of Muslim parenting. If you're new to the space, welcome, and to be honest, we need you. Subscribe to this channel are intentional Muslim parents committed to nurturing pious children and raising the next generation of believers. Without wasting any more time, let's get right into tip number 1. A fundamental principle of Islamic upbringing is instilling Islamic values. Therefore, to raise a Muslim child, there is a lot of emphasis on teaching about Salah, Adkar, Tawheed, and the Quran. Nurturing children with these values guides them in becoming responsible, pious adults. Raising a Muslim child begins before conception when parents pray to Allah for a pious child. One of the best acts a pregnant woman can do is reciting the verse of Quran, which helps in creating the bond between the fetus and the word of Allah. And after the child has been born, actual learning can begin to take place stage by stage. We can go on and on about teaching Islamic values. I mean, there's just a lot of things we can talk about here. However, let's shift our focus on another important element that goes hand in hand with teaching Islamic values, and that is modeling. It is well known that children absorb the world around them, and their actions are a reflection of the examples set by parents and other influential adults. They are also constantly imitating behaviors they witness, and therefore to truly succeed in nurturing your child with a strong Muslim foundation, ensure that your child sees you actively striving on the path that you encourage. The key thing here is to remember that our actions speak louder than our words. So by embodying Islamic principles in our daily lives, it provides a living example for them to follow and become the profound influence that shapes their character. Getting creative. This step can make a lot of difference. Children, especially young ones, have got really short attention spans. Make learning come alive using songs and rhymes. Also include coloring activities, storytelling to elevate the learning experience. A very good website I have been using is called Primary Ilm. This website offers beautiful Islamic themed activities like crossword puzzles, word searches, and they've got a free version where you can get a ton of valuable stuff and also pay subscription to get premium content. Aside bringing fun elements to teaching, you need to get creative with motivation and encouraging your child along. We've talked about modeling earlier. Here, let's talk about a reward and motivation system. It's desirable goals for each child, and they get a art for each completed task. At the end of the week, they get a reward for completing their goals, and rewards range from an extra snack to extra pocket money or extra outside time. This system helps to prevent cheating and helps get kids in line. There are tons of reward systems you can get on the internet. Just simply research them and find the one that works best for your family, establishing boundaries and consequences. Allah sets boundaries for His slaves, and His boundaries are the prohibitions that He has made us aware of. And His consequences are the punishment that He has also informed us about. Applying this wisdom to parenting, parents need to put in place boundaries for children, providing a framework within which they are expected to behave themselves. Establish clear rules and explain these rules to children. Rules can be about using manners, showing respect, not hitting, not shouting, and so on. Likewise, clearly state to the children the consequences of their actions. Sincerity and dua. Prayer is weapon of a believer. There is no barrier between Allah and the dua of a parent. Arm yourself with this weapon and ask Allah for several blessings upon your child, including being obedient. The most important thing for a Muslim parent to set the stage for success in all that we have mentioned so far in this video is sincerity. And this actually means nurturing children to become righteous servants of Allah. And there you have it, 4 solid tips for raising a Muslim child. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, click the next video in the playlist. Bye for now, and I'll see you in the next one. Assalamu alaikum.